Welcome to CloudExtend. In this tutorial, we will explore the key features of CloudExtend Gmail for NetSuite, saving emails to NetSuite, create, edit, and view records, sync calendar events, and Google Drive integration. Let's get started. Launch the app by simply clicking on the CloudExtend icon in your Gmail side panel. I will show you how to install and log in on another video. I'm seeing the welcome page of CloudExtend, and from here, I can click Suggest Related Records to begin syncing Gmail messages to NetSuite. This will help track your important Gmail communications in NetSuite, ensuring that all customer interactions are recorded. Create NetSuite records directly from Gmail without having to leave your inbox. It will also allow your department or company to view customer interactions for better collaboration. Get context on record before taking any actions, as you can see the relevant information alongside the email. Lastly, it will help you eliminate the need to copy and paste emails from Gmail to NetSuite. The feature we will cover is the ability to sync Gmail messages to NetSuite. In the CloudExtend panel, we can choose if we want to save for one time or use the autopilot. One-time method allows you to attach a single email to any record type in NetSuite. This method is ideal if you only want to save important emails to NetSuite and prefer to manually select whether to synchronize the response based on your own preferences. To automatically save emails to NetSuite, use Autopilot. With Autopilot, you'll have two options to choose from: to from CC or updates to this thread. The to from CC option enables email-based synchronization, while the updates to this thread, this option will facilitate thread-based synchronization. Both options provide the convenience of syncing emails to NetSuite with minimal effort. In your inbox, select an email that you want to save. CloudExtend will check if the email addresses that you have on your to and your CC section exist in NetSuite, and if any matching records are found, it will appear on the Available Records section. This will allow me to select one or multiple records and include file attachments during the sync. When I'm done, I just need to click Associate Email. Take note that any files stored will go to your NetSuite file cabinet. If you want to sync conversations within the thread, choose the Updates to this thread option. Since it's thread-based, it means that any back and forth emails will automatically sync to the records that you've selected. Updates to this thread will only allow you to attach the initial file that you have on your email. Let's take a closer look at the email address autopilot feature by selecting the to from CC option. To achieve this, CloudExtend pulls email addresses from the to from CC section. For example, let's select Astrid's email address. Now, the next step is to identify the record or records where I like to save this email, as well as any future emails coming from the same email address. CloudExtend will ensure that these emails are automatically associated within the chosen records. I'm ready to save this. I'll click Associate Email, and two things happened. You will see a label, and on the Associated Record section, you will see three little stars, which is telling that this email is an email address-based autopilot. It's set it and forget it, and everything will flow. When creating a fresh email, utilize the Send and Open with Celigo button. This feature enables you to choose the specific records with which you want the email to synchronize after sending. Additionally, when responding to a thread, you can activate the add-in. This will display the Send and Open with Celigo button, allowing you to decide to associate the email or enable the autopilot. CloudExtend can be used in your inbox, sent items, or compose mode. If CloudExtend was not able to fetch existing records, you can do a manual search using the search box in here. This resembles the functionality of the NetSuite global search bar. When conducting a search, you can utilize prefixes before the name to ensure that NetSuite returns the specific records you are seeking. Alternatively, you can simply enter the keyword you are looking for. It is recommended to provide as many characters as possible to enhance your search in NetSuite. If no prefixes are used, CloudExtend will perform a wildcard search. This allows you to search for multiple records across different record types, allowing users to add multiple records at once. Click the Add button, and choose your save method. To confirm if the email is in NetSuite, hover on the name and click View in NetSuite. This will direct me to the NetSuite record. Scroll down to the Communication tab and go to Message tab. If your email has a file, I can click on the attachment to view the file. If I want to see the content of the email, I can click View. And if I want to see all the emails that are synced to this record, I can click the View History button. Different users in your organization may need to see emails in different places. For example, a sales rep may only be concerned about emails on a specific opportunity, while an account manager may be more concerned about all emails for a customer. When a user saves email to child records, such as contacts, which is a child record of a customer, or opportunities, which is also a child record of a customer, NetSuite will also show the same email on the parent customer record, eliminating the need for users to save the email 2 times. If you want to get a holistic view of all activities and emails at the customer, lead, or prospect level, use the dashboard view and add the timeline to your dashboard.